What's going on, guys? It's your man Carlos. I'm here again with another hot video for you guys today about a really interesting topic I never really hear anyone talk about, which is free highly targeted traffic. And I'm going to show you the method that I used that helped me generate close to $200 in sales today without having to pay a single dollar in advertising. As you see here, there's 4 orders for 160 or close to 170. You know, it's not a big deal, but I didn't have to pay a single dollar in ads, so that's always a good thing for beginners to have, like, under the belt. This is going to be something you could use to test products, and something you can do just to get started, because eventually, you know, paid traffic is king. You know, there's no other way around it. The only way to really scale is with paid traffic. So anyway, let's get into it. I'm going to go into over the shoulder into my computer, and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. So first, this is going to be something we just go on Google and we search for it. We can basically use forums that are dedicated to specific niches, and basically create an account, post something in there, and boom, we have traffic, and we have comments and engagement, and that leads to traffic to our site. So I'm going to do a quick example here. Just pick the dog niche. So go to Google and type in dog pet forum, and you're going to see a few results. I'm just going to pick the first one here. Then you're going to see different topics. You're going to want to find one related to products. So you see this one here says dog products and toys. And what you want to do basically is you're going to create an account wherever it is, in whatever form you have based on your niche. Then you're going to create a new post in the niche, and you're going to base it off of the product that you're trying to sell. And you're going to say something like, hey everyone, I found this really cool dog collar that I was thinking about buying. It's 40% off on the store. What do you guys think? What's going to happen is you're going to get a lot of people commenting and engaging. Some people are going to tell you, no, don't get it. Some people are going to say, oh, I got it, so here. But in the long run, it's really just going to bring a lot of traffic to your store, and that's 100% free, and there's no harm in trying it. So I hope you guys like this. If you try it out and it works for you, please leave a comment below and let me know. If we have any questions, drop a comment. I'm answering to every single comment. So yeah, try this out and let me know if it works. And if you really like this and you find value in this, please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be posting a lot of content with valuable information that a lot of gurus don't talk about, and that's simply because they're already at a much higher level than people who are just starting out or still getting 5K a month or less. So that's where I'm trying to help people out, that in-between knowledge that gurus sometimes leave out. So if you really like this, please subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon.